Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I decorate my coffee table styling for the fall season, using many of the items that you've seen me share in my recent home decor hauls. So as you can see, I've already started, so let's jump right in. So because I'm using ottomans as my coffee table, I'll be using this beautiful hammered copper tray as my base for a level surface. Then I'm adding to it this beautiful vase and of course some greenery to bring a little life into the space. And now you can fill in the tray with some of your favorite decor pieces. So I'll just be using a few pieces again that I've shown you guys that I've hauled in my home decor hauls here recently, and some of the items that I've already had around my home. And here's the final look. I think this is very beautiful, very elegant, and casual. So it's perfect for any living room decor, and I love that it's very neutral and it can be transitional from season to season. Now here are a few simple and easy ways to add in some seasonal touches. As you can see here, I'm just taking a few fall picks and including them in the greenery that I have there. So those picks can be for fall, for Christmas, for Easter, for Halloween, for any time of the year if you want to just add a seasonal look. And I'll add in a few more seasonal pieces just to further elaborate the look, but you can add as many or as few items as you like. And here is the final fall look. As you can see, it only took a few simple items added in to really take this look from everyday transitional to seasonal fall decor. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and you guys know you could certainly add in more fall decor items if you like, and in any colors. I'm using the traditional fall colors, but you could definitely go with neutrals or any untraditional colors that you like. Now let's create another look using some different items. So here you can see I'm using this absolutely gorgeous silver and gold tray. I love those gold reindeer antlers. They're so pretty to me. And so we'll just be incorporating some other gold elements to create more of a glam look. So again, I'm just incorporating some of the items that you guys saw me haul into this look, as well as some items that I already had around my home to create the coffee table styling that I think is most interesting. You can feel free to use whatever items that you have around your home and whatever items you like the most. You guys know pink and gold are my favorite colors, and so I'm going to just create a beautiful pink and gold glam look for this coffee table styling. This can be an everyday look, it can be for any season that you like, or just whenever. So this look is just a everyday look that I would have in my home on any given day. I also love using non-traditional decor items in my displays, like I'm using this beautiful necklace here as an accent on this tray. And here is the final glam look. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. It makes me happy to see these beautiful colors together. I think it looks so very pretty. Now I will create a fall inspired look using many of the same items, but also incorporating a few other items that I already have from around my home and the items that I recently purchased. So here I've gathered some sparkly pine cones and some little twirly twigs that I want to incorporate into this mug. But as you can see, the mug is too wide and so the items aren't staying still. So here's a little trick that you can do. I'm using a grocery store bag to just wrap around the base of the floral stems, and then I will tuck it into the cup and you'll see that it will fit securely there. This is something you can do if you don't have any floral foam. I didn't have any handy, so this is an alternate fix. And here I'm just tucking the greenery into the cup along the side of the plastic also. I'm just kind of showing you guys that there. So you can just tuck in any other florals that you want. They fit perfectly fine in there, and you can make it look however you like. And now I'm going to use another piece of greenery to cover the back side, because of course we don't want anyone to be able to see the bag there. So I'm just tucking this greenery piece in, and then I'll spread it out and tuck it along the edge of the mug so that you can't see any of the plastic. Quick, easy, and simple fix, and it makes for a really cute floral display. And I've decided to add in another fall pick just to add a little color on this side to balance out the orange on the other side. And of course I am incorporating these beautiful bling fall leaf coasters. I think they're absolutely gorgeous, and I was excited to use them in this display. And I've decided to add this beautiful velvet pumpkin right at the base of the floral display because I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and it adds another pop of orange on this display. And here's a final look at this display. I think it turned out so pretty. I absolutely love all of the gold with the orange and the muted colors. I think it's so very pretty. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and me showing you 4 different ways to style your coffee table, and you can do it in some everyday looks as well as a few fall looks. So how to transition an everyday table styling to a seasonal style by just adding in a few elements. So again, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If so, please be sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. You know that helps me out tremendously. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so very much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. For my faithful family members, you all know I love you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.